KTN News.
Moving on, teen parenthood remains a health and socioeconomic challenge for many adolescents, her baby and community at large, whereas stakeholders in the country continue to explore different strategies to help cut back the numbers of teen pregnancies. More children are forced to take up the role of adults at a tender age due to these early pregnancies. In Kilifi County, a group of youth has set out to help tame the surging numbers by bridging the gap of information on sexual reproductive health among teenagers in a bid to help equip them with much needed knowledge and skills in the crucial stage of life. Gloria Milimu reports.
Motherhood is a significant biological event in a woman's life. But when the responsibilities that come with this phase of life come too early, they disrupt the life of the teenager, exposing her to several uncertainties of life. Janet Karisa from Kilifi County had to discontinue her education after being put in the family way. Being called a mother at a tender age wasn't part of what she envisioned her future would look like. But as fate will have it, she added to the growing number of teen parents in Kilifi County.
Nilipitia hali ngumu sana, maana wazazi walikuwa wamekuja juu, nikasirika, wakataka kumfunga yule bwana, lakini walipomuita wakaja wakaongea. Sasa nikoliswa mimi kama napendaje.
For young mothers like Karisa, the responsibilities that come with parenting are often an additional burden to an already disrupted life.
Wakati mwingine hata naweza kosa hata sabuni, hata nguo ya mtoto.
Her counterpart Emily Charo is also a mother. An early sexual debut left her a mother of one at only 17 years.
Sikuwa nataka kuzaa hiyo time. Lakini sasa venye nilienda kuchukua madawa nikaanza kupika madawa mingi, but before nikunywe watu wa nyumbani wakaona ile madawa, wakanikataza, wakaniambia nisikunywe na nisiwe na hofu.
Teen parents are likely to suffer stigma even from people well known to them. The fear of the unknown when it comes to navigating parenthood for any first-time mother is what leaves most of them vulnerable.
Naweza ambao wenye ulifanya mchezo umepata hii mimba, enda kwa huyo mtu mwenye amekupatia mimba kakauka. Na ukaangalia mtu mwenye hata venye wakati ulimwambia ni kumjamzito, alisema kwa mimi siko tayari kuitwa baba.
In a bid to empower young mothers like Charo and Karisa, and also to ensure that teenagers from the county are empowered with correct information on how to prevent teen pregnancies, different youth-led organizations from the county are championing the fight against the vice, with the aim of sensitizing the community on the need to ensure that children do not take up the role of adults, instead do what pertains of their age. Leila Isaac heads one such organization that uses different approaches to help address the challenges that bedevil her community.
We make sure that the information that it's actually given to a fellow peer, where the peer is able to be capacity build on issues to do with sexual reproductive health. So when they meet their fellow peers, they actually provide the same information.
In a bid to empower young girls, Leila challenges parents and guardians from the community to ensure they meet their children's needs, as majority often fall prey to border riders who entice them with easy money. As she and her team seek to cut back on the number of teen pregnancies, the women-led organization also aims to empower young mothers who aspire to better their future even after giving birth. The coastal region remains among the teenage pregnancies high-burden counties, with Kilifi and Mombasa recording 3,376 and 941 cases respectively between the month of January and May 2021, according to a 2021 report by the National Council for Population and Development. Meanwhile, in order to stem adolescent pregnancies, experts call for a multi-sectoral approach as opposed to a one-fits-all solution for the challenge exacerbated by different factors across the country. Gloria Milimu, KTN News.
And that story by Gloria Milimu draws News Center to a close. Thank you so much for